Technology and Livelihood Education, Handicraft, Exploratory Course for Grade 7 and 8. Handicraft Exploratory Course for Grade 7 and 8, Lesson 2.2. Our topic is Recycled Projects. This lesson focuses on creating recycled projects. After going through this lesson, you are expected to recycle articles and produce artistically based projects on the given steps. Use tools properly and apply good working habits. To recycle means to make something new out of old materials. You can be creative and apply the principles and elements of design to make old materials more attractive. An old magazine or newspaper can be more useful if you weave it into basket or flower vase holder and the like. How to make paper baskets. Tools and materials needed: old newspapers and magazines, scissor, stapler, glue or paste, ribbon, and accessories. How to make the paper basket. Procedure. Number 1. Trim the fold from a section of your paper to release each of 12-inch by 12-inch individual pages. Number 2, fold each page in half along its length, then into quarters, then into eighths. The resulting strip should be about 1.5 inches by 12 inches. You'll need a lot of them. Start by interweaving the center of 4 strips as shown. If needed, a single staple or a dot of glue can be placed at each overlap to hold it in place. Number 4, continue weaving strips on the dimension of your choice. My basket was 10 strips by 8 strips or 15 inches by 12 inches overall. Number 5, for the sides of your basket, simply fold all strips upward at 90 degrees and continue weaving. Be sure to keep your strips snugly woven. Patience is your friend at this point. At the corners, simply bend your side strips and continue weaving along the adjacent edges. Glue or staples are particularly recommended for this first course of side strips to hold things in place. Along the top edge, add a double folded strip. A regular strip folded in half again to give it an added thickness. This strut added strength to the top rim. Strips protruding from the top edge were simply folded over the strut and glued in place along inside of the basket. For decoration, add a pale ribbon or any color of your choice along the fourth course of weaving right over the top of the newsprint, and a darker blue ribbon along the top edge. A detail showing a darker strip of ribbon along the top edge. Adhere this in place using a fabric glue. For a glossy finish, apply a natural varnish. This is how our paper basket will look like. How to make plastic bottle vase. How to make plastic bottle vase. First, mark and cut the smooth middle portion of the bottle to give an even edge approximately around 7.5 to 8 cm or around 3 inches above where you want the fluted rim to be. Then measure and make straight, evenly spaced cuts all the way around the bottle. Cut the segments in half and then cut each of those in half to make even, thin strips. Then carefully press and fold all the strips outward to make a level edge all the way around. Number 4, press the bottle upside down on a flat surface to ensure an even edge. Number 5, weave the tip of a strip over the next one and under the next two. Number 6, fold and crease it so that the tip is at the place shown here by the arrow. Number 7, fold and crease the next one the same way, but weave this one over two and under one. Then fold the third strip and weave the same as the first one. Continue around in this pattern until the last three and tuck each other under the next until woven in completely. The Plastic Bottle Vase. How to make storage tin cans. How to make storage tin cans. Instructions. Prepare all tools and materials needed. Follow the procedures and observe safety precautions. Make the project with proper documentation. When done, compile your documentation and project. Then present your finished product. How to make storage tin cans. Procedure. Look for different sizes of tin cans. Then take off any paper and make it clean. Measure the height of the can and then your paper. Number 2, paint a layer of glue onto can. Put a thick layer of glue on it, especially for the thicker papers. Number 3, cover the tin can with gift wrapping paper or any printed decorative paper. Number 4, when you have the paper in place, start at one end and make sure to press it down tightly all the way around the can. Then let it dry. Number 5, at the top and bottom of the can, put a ribbon to cover the lip, or you can use any strings like yarns for decoration. And number 6, apply finishing touches. Storage tin can is ready. Here are some examples of storage tin cans. A time to remember. Let's recycle. Using recyclable materials found in your home, make a project out of it. Decide what project you must make. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.